Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to elevate your life, business, or leadership, you have to change how you approach the journey. It all starts with how we perceive our circumstances. As Stephen Covey wisely noted in the Seven Habits of Highly Effective People, we see the world not as it is, but as we are, or as we are conditioned to see it. When we shift our internal condition toward growth, we begin to see opportunities instead of obstacles. This internal shift directly impacts how we build our careers and businesses. True fulfillment comes when we look past the mere transaction of making a living and align our work with a higher purpose. Phil Knight captured this beautifully in Shoe Dog, writing, "Seek a calling even if you don't yet know what that means. If you're following your calling, the fatigue will be easier to bear. The disappointments will be fewer. The highs will be like nothing you've ever felt." Finally, once you find that calling, you must build systems that outlast your personal effort. Jim Collins and Jerry Porras pointed out in Built to Last, if you are involved in building and managing a company, we ask you to make a conceptual shift. We ask you to think less like a time teller and more like a clock builder. Shift your perspective, follow your calling, and build systems that last. See you in the next video.